and finally give our opinion about what we think of them. So let's not do any longer. Now start with, there's the packaging from Tozo. Again, kind of plain, straightforward packaging. And there's a bit more about the different kind of ones you can get too. There's quite a few different colors there. We've obviously got the black ones today. I'm just going to take a look and open up the box and see what comes in it. So again, there's the earbuds there. So very straightforward, plain packaging. There's no real bells and whistles on there. And again, this is because there's budget earbuds, that's what you'd expect. Pull out the box, and there are the earbuds just there. As you can see, they look all right, quite nice. A bit more about the instructions about how to use them. I'm just going to take a look at the earbuds themselves. So we've got the light kind of blue-grey colour on here. Let me go have a look which one it is actually. It's light blue, I'd say. Very small case. It's a lot smaller, probably say, than a biscuit. That's how wide it is as compared to my finger. To give you an idea for the size. So very small. USB-C charging, as always. Battery indicator lights at the front there. Taking a look, and there's the earbuds just there. So it looks like just kind of like just a plasticky look, kind of standard plasticky look that you get with these kind of earbuds. Nothing spectacular, but then again, you're not paying spectacular amounts for the price either. So there's always trade-offs in this life, isn't there? Always trade-offs. So again, there's the earbuds there. So take a close look at the earbud. There it is just there. So there it is there. Take it off. And there it is just there. So you can see there's a microphone just there. Again, nice size. The Tozo logo at the top there as well. It's a nice little touch actually. Just going to put them into the case. So pop them in. Pop that one in and then pop this one in. So they're closed. So it closed quite quickly, didn't it? So there they are in the case, as you can see. And there's the charger. Open that up, close it. So it looks like these might actually not have any charge in them. Oh wait, there we are. So you got to hold them down for it to work. There, it's burst into life, see? There it is there. You take them on and the light goes up.